focusing on the four core business segments of automobile: medical, logistics, and home furniture and electrical appliances. Kaihua continues to win customers' trust with high quality, high efficiency, and short cycle production. In the automotive sector, Kaihua's featured products are high precision exterior, interior, and cooling system modes for bumpers, instrument panels, and front-end modules. Our key clients include Mercedes-Benz, Ford, Nissan, Great Wall, and Xiaopeng. In the medical sector, Kaihua is mainly engaged in outer structure mold making for MRI machines, CT machines, and other large-scale medical equipment. We are favored by Siemens and other benchmark brands in the industry. In the logistics sector, Kaihua produces large-scale molds for crates, pallets, and garbage bins. We have established long-term partnerships with IPL Group and other related enterprises. In the smart home sector, Kaihua's core products are high-precision molds for storage and kitchenware. We are recognized by Walmart and other world-renowned brands.